After completing the validation of a model in usBIM.IDS, you can export the usBIM.IDS editor document from the Download menu icon, which contains the validation and the issue report in PDF format, containing the problems identified in the specifications along with a legend of the issue codes. You can enable the display of labels on the BIM model to identify the detected issues. Accessing the issue page, you will find a table with all the detected issues in the model. Additionally, from the same issue page section, once the verification outcome is confirmed, you can export the report in 3 formats via the Download menu icon: BCF, CSV, Excel. The downloaded report in BCF file format contains all the verification calculation information contextualized through a direct reference to a model view, acquired from coordinates on the IFC model.